Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I will show you how to download and install the Puffin web browser to your Android TV, especially without the Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if I want to install the Puffin web browser to my Android TV without Google Play Store, this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over to my app stores. As you can see, I don't have Google Play Store here. So what I'm going to use is my browser. This can work with any browser that you have on your Android TV, either a system browser or a downloaded browser. So what I'm over here, what I'll do is I'm just going to go ahead and type in the name of application, which is Puffin web browser or Puffin browser, whatever option you want, it's what we're looking for. So here's it over here. I'm just going to go over here and choose Puffin browser. And when I click Puffin browser, you see there is the option to install it here. Now the first option is from the web version of Google Play Store, which you can go ahead and click on it just once, and then you'll be able to install it to your Android TV without any issues. As you can see, I can go over here and I can just click install, and the application will start downloading and installing to my Android TV, and it's as simple as that. Now if for some reason the first option doesn't work for you, then you can browse through other options here. As you can see, this is a third-party site. That is the original site, and if you come down here, you're going to see a third-party site like up to down, giving you the option to install the application. So you can go over to this option and it might work for you. I cannot guarantee it, but if the first option doesn't work, then you should try the second option and it might work for you. But for my Android TV, the first option is already working for me, so I don't need that third party option. So as you can see, the first option is the Google Play version on my web browser, and it's going to download and install. As right now, it has already installed to my Android TV, and that's how I download and install the application without any issues.